On 3rd March, based on the specific information, we have detained 2 persons in Joai area, Waget area, and through their lead, we managed to recover few items of explosive items, like number 1, 10 numbers of detonators, 5 numbers of skeleton sticks, and a fuse wire of around 13 feet 7 inches long. With this material, which they were planning to carry out subversive activities in Ialong Toll Plaza. Because of that, these people has been detained, and we have registered a case also against them, and our investigation is being carried out. And regarding the security deployment and all, we have step up our deployment so that no any untoward incidents is reported or come to the forefront. That will depend on our investigation, because it's very premature for me to say what met them. So let us wait and watch during the course of investigation what comes up and why they have made up such kind of mind to do such illegal activities.
So are there some more individuals who are involved in this particular case?
Yes, their accomplices are there. So we are looking into that angle. Very soon, something or the other thing might come up.